Welcome to i-Konf. Here we show you how to create a survey of your confirmation group in just a few minutes. Your parish has been selected to participate in the confirmation work study. First, register in the online application i-Konf. To do this, you go to ikonf.eu on the internet. Click Register, enter your email address, and accept the terms of use. Now you will receive an email where you have to click on a confirmation link. If you can't find an email in your inbox, check the spam folder too. You will now be redirected to the i-Konf page. There you give yourself a nickname or you leave your email address as your login name. After that, you enter your self-selected password twice and you save your entries. If you want to create a new survey with i-Konf, log in with your login data at ikonf.eu. Now you get to the overview of your surveys, the dashboard. To create a new survey for the study, click on Create New Survey to get a form where you enter some details about your confirmation group and the survey. Set the starting point and the end point of your confirmation time. Choose the questionnaire type and the country. For the study, it is really important that you enter your parish code and the name of your congregation too. Only with that information we can correctly assign your data to your parish. Now click on Continue to the survey. Now you can start the survey of the confirmants and the workers. In this example, we just show you how to do it with a confirmants questionnaire. After that, you share the survey with your confirmants. Use the master code for this. You can share it with the confirmants via email or just use the QR code. The confirmants can now easily fill out the survey on their smartphones. Please don't forget the survey for the workers, which you can start and carry out in the same way as the survey for the confirmants. Once all questionnaires have been completed, click on Close Survey. Enter some basic information about your confirmation group and save them. From now on, no further questionnaires can be filled out, and the results can be seen directly. By the way, if you can find your way around in i-Konf, click on Dashboard and you will return to the overview. That's it for now. The answers are now sent to the research team of the study, anonymously of course. If you have general questions about the study or need technical assistance, please visit confirmation-research.eu for more information and the contact to the research team. Thank you for your participation in the study. By the way, from summer 2022 on, i-Konf will be available for independent use by all parishes, with more questionnaires and questionnaire modules.